Okay. We're going to be watching some TikToks today, if it works. No, I'm not going to log in, because then everyone will see my account and passwords and you'll start hacking. Okay, double tap to see something cute. Oh my days. I want to watch this video. Why is it not letting me? What's this? Okay.
Mommy?
Okay, so just look for another one. Oh, Addison Ray.
Then just promote our YouTube channel. What, do you not believe me?
So, yep. What's this? Yeah. Oh my days. I follow these people on TikTok, guys. Go follow them. They're so funny.
I've seen this one. I'm on TikTok as well, Ari.
What happened?
I'm on TikTok as well. I'm on TikTok.
Oh, I actually like this one. I can see.
Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories. Toast to the ones.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is Chris Taylor official.
And that part. Ari, I'm sending you something anyway, okay?
Huh?
But if the human body doesn't get water,
I'm recording.
but if the human body doesn't,
Oh, I love this dance. I'm literally dancing. I'm doing all of the dances to this.
People on TikTok go viral, but literally.
If I know it.
Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
Oh, Louie, you're watching that.
no, please.
Oh, I've seen this, and then this is the funniest thing.
Don't, please.
Oh, what's this? Perry Kaylee. Oh, I've seen this. I follow this guy. I don't know why. Louie, when you're watching this, when I'm gonna be editing this, I'll be laughing so hard in our video. No, when you're watching it on YouTube, you're gonna see how funny it is on one of them. Oh my. Oh my lord. Oh my. Oh, that's so sad. Where they shave off their eyebrows. Oh my days, what is him? I bet he doesn't do it. Oh, I've seen this. Ollie Murs. What happened? Oh, this is.
Mommy?
Oh!
Mama.
Oh my days, this is so cute. How to front kick? I don't know how to do it in karate. Use control. Okay. No. I've seen this.
Hi, Arjun.
What's this? Oh my days.
What's that?
Oh my days, guys. Everyone go and follow this guy. Everyone go follow this guy. I'm sorry if you find scenes of this upsetting. Oh, that's really sad. If you're watching this, that person, I feel really sad for you, but... Oh my days, Louie, you're gonna find some really bad TikToks on here and funny ones. I've literally been watching TikToks. Wait, I'm just gonna do the dance for this song, guys, sorry. Okay. What's this? What the hell? Oh my days, I follow this guy. Go and follow him. Oh, I've seen this. That's actually so good. What's this? Oh no, they're dyeing her hair black. No, purple! Oh my god. Oh, this guy's so funny. Okay, Louie, this is gonna be another Ollie Maz one.
Wait, I'm watching that one.
Well, the Ollie Maz, the one with the only one Oreo donut. Yeah.
Wait, what's after that one for you?
Huh?
What's after that one?
Charlie D'Amelio.
Huh?
Charlie D'Amelio.
Oh, we've got different recommended then.
Are you signed in?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not signed in because I don't want my fans to see my TikTok. No offense, guys. Oh my days! I want to see this. I want to see if who's gets the Oreo donut, Louie?
Huh?
Who gets the Oreo donut? His Ollie Maz or his Charlie D'Amelio. I'm just gonna be watching Charlie D'Amelio's TikToks, guys. I want to watch Charlie D'Amelio's. I want to see who's following her because one of them's me. How? Charlie D'Amelio.
I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about such and such and such and such. I mean, if the show big, where if it down, like Cinderella. Listen. That's just super sad. Fucking perfect deal. I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
Just today you were crying about snakes.
I guess
I'm scared of snakes,
They
guys.
gonna hate me regardless. That's why I do what I do.
Oh, this one. Oh yeah, I've just got the email from you.
the fact that you would even discuss my looks is insane.
Oh yeah,
Either.
Louie.
Yes, I'm drinking whiskey. Maybe I.
Let me tell you something, darling. I'm not like those guys.
Oh, I've seen this. Good boy. That looks like Dixie D'Amelio. Oh, that's so sad. Woo. She's got 2 dogs. 3. Okay, guys.
Hello guys, it's Charlie.
So, boom.
Every time I'm calling, she say she gonna call me back. I told her call me back.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna have to go now. Party girl, she just wants. Okay, anyway, so guys, I'm gonna go now. Go and follow Charlie D'Amelio if you're not already. I will do a part 2 on the Bloxburg house build. So we are making, well, Louie's making us a website, I think. So I'll put that in the next video, and in like when we hit 150 subscribers, we're gonna make merch. Bye guys.